Hello everyone and welcome to GMT Partner video channel, where you can find some interesting videos related to trading and investing in global financial markets. The topic of today's video is portfolio of proprietary trading strategies. As always, I share my strategies with the subscribers of my video channel and hope that this topic will be interesting and useful for both beginners and advanced traders. In the previous video series produced in the framework of GMT Partner project, you studied the long-term strategy weekly envelope, the medium-term multi-time frame strategy, and the simplified version of the short-term strategy double barrel gun. You also learned how to build a technical profile of a financial instrument based on the trading signals generated by the above strategies, and how to determine the mood of market participants within the selected segment of the financial market. In the last module of this video course, we will talk about the full version of the short-term trading strategy double barrel gun, the scalping strategy shuriken, the proprietary technique used for evaluating the probability of implementing certain scenarios of intraday price dynamics for any financial instrument with good level of liquidity and sufficient volatility, as well as how to trade these instruments on the basis of the most likely scenarios. In addition to above topics, we will talk about how to manage a portfolio consisting of several positions opened by the rules of proprietary strategies, which you studied in the framework of the video course offered by GMT Partner project. So, here is the plan of my presentation today.
Let's start with the full version of the short-term trading strategy double barrel gun. I think there is no need to explain the fact that both the full and the simplified versions of the double barrel gun trading strategy are based on the same trend-following strategy, which was designed for short-term trading of a wide range of financial instruments. Both versions of the strategy use a single time frame 10 minutes. As for the technical indicators, in addition to two pairs of moving averages, simple and exponential type with the parameter 220 time intervals, as well as the parameter of the average daily volatility of the financial instrument, which are used in the simple version of the strategy. In the framework of the full version, we also use envelope indicator, built on the basis of long-term moving averages, SMA 200 and EMA 200. The width of the envelope formed by the upper and lower bands of the indicator is equal to 100% ADV of the selected financial instrument. You can find a ready-to-use envelope indicator in the list of technical indicators provided by the most popular analytical platforms. It is also available in the list of standard technical indicators of MT4 platform. However, for the purpose of the full version of double barrel gun trading strategy, I have created my own version of the indicator, which takes into account the volatility parameter of the financial instrument. In order to create this indicator, I had to use some programming skills in MQL environment. This is how the full version of the double barrel gun trading strategy looks on the screen. A pair of long-term moving averages with a parameter of 200 intervals, red and green. A pair of short-term moving averages with a parameter of 20 intervals, blue, and the envelope indicator, gray. The objective of this strategy is to profit from daily short-term market movements that can last from a few minutes to several hours. Trading in accordance with the rules of the full version of double barrel gun trading strategy, on average will get you about 10 to 15 transactions on each financial instrument within 1 month. Most of the transactions of this strategy are opened and closed within one trading day. The first and foremost rule of any strategy designed to follow the trend is to determine the direction of the current market trend. It should be noted that according to the rules of the full version of the double barrel gun trading strategy, market can be in one of the following 4 states. 1. Bullish market or uptrend. 2. Neutral bullish market, that is, the state of temporary correction or consolidation within the uptrend. 3. Bearish market or downtrend. 4. Neutral bearish market, that is, the state of temporary correction or consolidation within the downtrend. The above classification of market conditions, used in the full version of the double-barrel gun trading strategy, allows you to determine the balance of forces of market participants and thus more accurately assess the likelihood of implementing of a certain scenario of intraday price dynamics. For example, in an uptrend, the balance of power of market participants can be expressed as follows: 3-0-0. This form of displaying the balance of power indicates that the strength of the bulls is estimated at 3 points out of 3 possible. The strength of bears and neutral market participants in this example is estimated at 0.